Martial has struggled for form, scoring just one goal in his best six French score all competition against Ligue 2 side Tranmere Rovers in FA Cup last month. The 24-year-old failed to fire for United in Saturday goalless Premier League draw at home to Wolves that Solskjaer back up the Frenchman. He's giving us everything. I think he started the last 8 games in the month, and he's running probably 20% more than what he did when I came here, Solskjaer said. That's it. Goes with all the other players as well, by the way, so it's not just mental robustness and tactical, it's that physical side we have had to work with, because they are making strides, but the difference in depth compared to when I came in, the squad wasn't right. Will I give him Martial more support, give him rest when he deserves it? If he doesn't have that rest, if he play a little bit less, because he's been asked to play the match as well, especially now when Marcus Rashford is injured. As a striker, if you don't just get there that split second, there's a big, massive difference. I praised him, I sat down with him and I enjoyed with him. I know that he is tired, but he is never ever dogged at training session. His training he available for every game, so I enjoyed in the boy. Martial scored a Premier League goal in 19 matches and 12 in competition this season.